What's up, guys? A little different angle for this because it's a pocket dump EDC video challenge from OzarkHillbilly71. So you challenged me, brother? Let's go. Oh yeah, I'm smoking my Country Gentleman with Louisiana Red, like in my last video. So we'll start with the pockets, and then I'll talk about some of the things I carry around. First up, Bluetooth. Gotta love them. My phone that I'm recording this on. Start with the left front pocket. Headphones tied together with an extra hair tie. Yeah, it's a problem that you have to have when you have long hair. You got to carry around extra hair clips. My keys. Has a little multi-tool on it. Little flashlight. Bottle opener. Flathead screwdriver. Little mini knife. And a little Phillips head screwdriver. Nice little multi-tool to have. Fits right in my pocket. Pretty cool. Tamper tool. Also with a bottle opener. Poker. And deep down in here, corkscrew. So I always have a tamper on me no matter what. And Gas Monkey Garage bottle opener as well. So. And first up, my main EDC knife is a buck. Gotta carry a buck around. Being a country boy, everything else, been raised to carry at least one buck around. So that's my buck knife. Going to my right back pocket. Bandana. Always carry a bandana or handkerchief. As a guy, you never know when you're gonna need one. Little MP3 player when I'm going out to work. Little mini Bic. Alright, going to my right front pocket. Little carrying cash. This is a Magnum pocket knife, Damascus steel. Get a little hair on it, but Damascus steel. I think it's a 37 layer, so awesome. Good little pocket knife to have. Right here. Ladder leash. Brantley Gilbert ladder. Yeah, I listen to country. So what? I also listen to classic rock. Alright. Now my wallet. Big ass chain wallet. Buddy of mine made this for me a long time ago, so I went ahead and put it on the chain. Nice little leather strap and a skull and crossbones. Pretty cool. Alright, in the wallet. Couple cool things. First thing, right in here. Folding pocket knife. So, no matter what, I always have a knife on me. Going to concerts and everything else like that, you know, you can't carry a knife in with you, pocket knife. Well, I always got one as long as I have my wallet on me. Another cool thing, Matt Van Pipe's card, Lowborn Supply card. Got a couple other business cards in here, but nobody's interested in that shit. Got the license. Here's something that you guys might know about, and something I find that's really cool and something I'm very proud of. I am a clergy member, or a clergy. I'm ordained Reverend Tyler. So, Reverend Swamp Piper. It's official. Obligatory photos of family. This is something I've carried in my wallet for many, many years. And it is the prayer. You can't really see it on here, but it's the prayer from Boondock Saints and El Duce's prayers. So, the family prayer, and shepherds we shall be for thee, my Lord, for thee power hath descended forth from thy hand, our feet may swiftly carry out thy commands. So we shall flow forth the river to thee, and teeming with souls shall it ever be, in nomine Patri et Filii Spiritus Sancti. So, I keep this with me at all times. Now, in here, a little zipper pocket. I always have my Distinguished Ruffian patch. If you're a ruffian and you don't carry your Distinguished Ruffian patch, what's going on, guys? And also in this little zipper pocket, if I can dig the thing out, is a pick of destiny and a little P38 can opener. So basically what I have in my pockets at all times is a traveling, bug out bag, I guess. Basic tools that I need. I got my light, and my lighters for warmth. I've always got 2 paracords on me. This one was given to me by Juan Puffin, 562, awesome guy. This one from Bud K. I got my knives. I got fire, like I said, entertainment. So, yeah. Also, everyday carry. I've got my little ball chain necklace with my Green Lantern ring. I've got my skull prayer beads. And my Dagner Pipes Pipe Battalion dog tag. This stuff goes with me every day, and we always gotta have a beanie. So that's my EDC, guys. Who do I challenge next? Let's see what you got, Smoking Irishman. Show us what you carry around every day. And you know what? Let's go ahead and pick one more, since Ozark Hillbilly picked 2. Pipe Smoker Wales. Let's see what you carry over there across the seas, buddy. Alright. Everybody, have a good one. Peace.